This is what we call a couch stretch for hip flexors and quads. I like to do this initially with an incline bench set the way it is here, depending on how stiff you are. Go ahead and bend over first. If you just try to muscle up, you'll have a hamstring cramp. So you get your knee in the crevice, shin against the backrest, upright, just like he is. You can always make it a little harder or a little more intense by squeezing the glute and pushing your hip forward. All right, and then when you want to go to the next step, bring the backrest up. And all these stretches are 1 minute holds, by the way. So same thing, hands down first, knee in crevice, shin against backrest, stand tall. Good. Once that gets pretty easy, then you can progress to doing it against the wall. So we're going to head over here. Put down a little foam pad to be nice to your knee. You get down low, yep. Knee in the crevice, shin against the wall. All right. And that's the ideal position. You might want to grab something like that stool to support yourself if you're having trouble getting up there. And same thing, 1 minute holds.